everyone, we're going to determine the function from given stationary points and find B and C. So when we find B and C, what they want you to do is just determine our actual function, and they're already given us our stationary points as x equals 4 and x equals -2. Now, what I'm going to do is go ahead and take the derivative as usual, so derivative of y with respect to x. And that's what gives us our stationary points. When I do this, I get 3x squared minus 2bx minus c equals 0. So basically what you would do normally is to factor this, and you would get the stationary points x equals 4 and x equals -2. But since we don't have the b and c, but we have the stationary points, we're working in reverse. That means, basically what it means is if I plug in 4 into this x, or when I plug in -2 into this x, I will get 0 from the derivative. So we have x equals 4 and x equals -2 when our derivative with respect to x is 0. So let's just plug that in. And we're going to get 3 times 4 squared minus 2b times 4 minus c equals 0. And then for this one, do the same thing. 3 times -2 squared minus 2b times -2 minus c equals 0. All right, let's straighten this up a bit. This is going to be 48 minus 8b, and I'm going to go ahead and add c to both sides here. So that's going to equal c. And this, on this side, we're going to get 12 plus 4b, and again, I'm going to add c to both sides here. So that gives you c. So we have a system of equations or simultaneous equations, and we're just going to set c equals c. All right. So if c equals c, set them equal to each other. So we have 48 minus 8b, 8b equals 12 plus 4b. Now let's go ahead and add 8b to both sides. And let's subtract 12 from both sides. So these will cancel here. So you're going to get 36 equals 12b. Of course, when you divide both sides by 12, we get b equals 3. And all you have to do now is plug in your b to find your c. So we had 48 minus 8b, and I'll just go ahead and put the b in, is 3. That's supposed to equal c, and that's going to be 48 minus 24 equals c. So our c is going to be, let's see, on this one, 24. All right, and let's go ahead and do this one. 12 plus 4 times 3, that also equals c. So 12 plus 12 is 24. So 24 equals c. These both should match. This equals c here. If they don't match, that means we did something wrong. But of course we did it correctly. We have our b and our c. So now we can determine our function. So you just substitute your b and c into the equation. Y equals x cubed minus b, so that's minus 3x squared. Now we have a negative here, so write negative 24x minus 28. And that is your final answer. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.